Hello everyone, my name is CA Neha Agarwal from BISP Solutions, and in today's video we will understand about the legal entities in the Oracle Fusion Financial applications. So what are the legal entities? An entity identified or given rights and responsibilities by any commercial law through the registration within the country's appropriate authority is termed as a legal entity. It has the following rights and responsibilities. It can own the property, it can trade, it can repay any debts, and account for themselves to regulators, taxation authorities, and owners according to the rules specified in the relevant legislation. Their rights and responsibilities may be enforced through a judicial system. In Oracle Fusion application, we define a legal entity for each registered company or other entity recognized in law for which we want to record assets, liabilities, expenses, and income, or pay transaction taxes, or perform any intercompany trading. So to understand what does the legal entity look like in a Fusion application, we can refer the following structure. So there will be an enterprise, say Fusion Enterprise, and say it is running in USA, India, and Japan. Then these legal entities will be registered in USA, India, and Japan. So we'll have to define them in the system as USA legal entity, Indian legal entity, Japan legal entity, and mention all the registration details of these legal entities in the specific countries. The primary ledger will be linked with these legal entities or will be mapped with these legal entities, and the BUs or business units which will be functioning under that legal entity will also be mapped with that legal entity. And any activity which is performed at the business unit level, the legal entity will be responsible for all those tasks. So this way we can understand how the legal entities are identified in the Fusion applications. If our legal entities are trading within each other, we represent them as legal entities and as customers and suppliers in our customer and supplier registers in the Oracle Fusion applications. As Oracle Fusion applications supports the modeling of our legal entities. So we define the legal entities for each registered company or other entity recognized in law. While configuring the enterprise structure, any contracting party for any transaction is always recognized as a legal entity. And every legal entity must comply with the regulations of jurisdictions in which they are registered. So while modeling the legal entities, what are the decisions we should consider while creating a legal entities? The importance of using legal entities on transactions. All the assets of the enterprise are owned by individual legal entities. Our Fusion application allows us to enter legal entities on transactions that represent a movement in value or obligation. So for example, if we create a sales order which obligates the legal entity to book that order and to promise it to deliver the goods on the acknowledged date, then legal entities and its relationship with the business units. Business units can process transactions on behalf of many legal entities. Therefore, any transaction which a BU enters creates an obligation on the legal entity. A division is an area of management responsibility that can correspond to a collection of legal entities. Divisions come over the legal entities. So say there are 4 legal entity and 1 division. So these 4 legal entities will be responsible for 1 division. And however, these two are the independent concepts in the Oracle Fusion applications. Now, we have to establish a relationship between the legal entity and ledger. Major responsibility for us is to file financial statements for our legal entities. So it is mandatory to map our legal entities to a specific ledgers used in the GL application. We also specify the balancing segments in the Oracle Fusion application. So it is mandatory to establish a relationship between the legal entities and the balancing segments. GL application in Fusion supports up to 3 balancing segments. The best practice recommends one segment should represent our legal entity to ease our requirement to account for our operations. In Oracle Fusion applications, we map legal entities to balancing segments, and then we define rules using these balancing segments. And we create a relationship between the definition of our legal entities and their roles in the consolidation. So balancing segment, consolidation rules, and legal entities are mapped with each other to held them responsible for the consolidation. Then comes the intercompany transaction. The intercompany feature in Oracle Fusion is used to create intercompany entries automatically across our balancing segments. Legal entity and other legal entities are interlinked, and this relationship can be established through the intercompany transactions. Now comes the worker assignment and legal employer. So legal entities which employ people are called the legal employers. Here also comes the term payroll reporting or the legal reporting units. So legal entity can be identified as an authority to pay payroll taxes and social insurance on the security of their payrolls. To meet these obligations, we set up legal entities as legal employers or payroll statutory units. So these details are used to be specified while creating and managing our legal entities in Fusion. So these decisions we should consider while modeling our legal entities in the Oracle Fusion financial applications. So this was all about the legal entities. Thank you for watching.